What the Tech is sponsored by EPB Fiber Optics. Experience recklessly fast, consistently reliable internet speeds on Chattanooga's only 100% fiber optic network. Learn more at epb.com.
Well, fireworks are some of the hardest things to record, but our consumer technology reporter Jamie Tucker has some tips that may help your photos pop.
Fireworks are one of the toughest things to take pictures of, and part of the reason is you can't really practice and you only have maybe 10 minutes to get a good shot. Well, you can improve your chances. Number one, this is the big thing, by putting your phone on a tripod.
Even if you think you've got a steady hand, just a tiny bit of movement will cause blurry streaks. If you're not using a tripod, rest the phone on something to minimize shakiness. Turn off the flash. It might be set to automatic, and light bouncing off a nearby subject will ruin your shot by lighting up something around you. When the show begins, lock the exposure and focus by tapping and holding the screen during a bright flash. This prevents the phone from refocusing on the smoke. On newer smartphones, turn on live mode for photos. It will record for 3 seconds when you take a photo and then gives you the ability to scroll through that time to save the best shot. Make sure night mode is turned on by looking at this moon icon. If you see a line through it, tap to turn it off. It makes a big difference. Another setting you should check ahead of time is in accessibility. Choose motion and look for this option to dim flashing lights. If it's turned on, turn it off. If you're shooting video, shoot holding the phone sideways or in landscape mode for wider images. And experiment. Try shooting fireworks in time lapse for a sped up sequence or in slow motion for an even cooler effect.
Newer smartphones have features that make shooting fireworks a lot better than it used to be. If your phone, though, is 5 years old or older, you might want to just sit back and enjoy the show. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.